Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of joining server on Pinterest. To know how to fix or how to solve joining server on Pinterest, we click on settings. In the first page, you will find the page of apps and you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you can click on Pinterest and you'll enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. So that you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.